Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you are looking to protect your phone screen but also have a little added layer of protection, then you need to get yourself a privacy screen protector.
This is by QHOHQ, and it's a three-pack privacy screen protector for iPhone 15 Pro Max. I love using a privacy screen protector on my phone. I just think it's great that when someone's standing alongside me, they can't see what's on my phone screen. The application was pretty simple, went on in no time, and any lingering little tiny air bubbles were super small and they dissipated after less than a day. So the application was really smooth. I think it looks awesome on my phone. And the brightness, the resolution of my phone screen is not at all affected negatively by this. I think my phone looks amazing when I am using it, but then I have that extra layer of protection that when you're alongside me, you can't see what's on my screen. So, all in all, I think that this works fantastic. If you're looking for a privacy screen protector, this is a great option.
I love the screen protector. I'm super happy with it. I think that it looks great on my phone and it does its job giving me a little extra privacy. That's just my point of view.